What is up, and qué onda, everybody? Welcome back to the Moderroots Kitchen channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how I made these dope empanadas. Stay tuned, man. You're not gonna want to miss it. All right, vatos locos. Let's get some flour and some salt. I'm gonna lick all the recipe down in the description, all the measurements and everything like that. I'm gonna grab an egg and a little bit of ice water. Mix that together. We're gonna make a nice little dough for our empanadas. So we grab our flour and our salt. Make sure it's all whisked up real nice. I got some nice cold salted butter that I'm just gonna kind of break up into the flour. Nice and incorporated. Gonna hit it with our egg mixture and a 1/4 ounce of Jack Daniels. Go ahead and flour our surface. We're gonna work our dough, knead it up a little bit, just to kind of bring it together. It's a pretty standard empanada dough, kind of like a pie dough. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that in plastic, and I'm gonna set it in the fridge for about a couple hours. While that's chilling, I'm gonna cut up a pineapple. We're gonna start making some fillings. For these empanadas, I'm doing pineapple and strawberry. So I'm breaking apart this pineapple, taking off the rind, taking off those little eyes. I'm gonna cut it right down the middle, and then half again. We're gonna take out that core. The core is kind of hard, kind of stiff. You don't want that in there. Go ahead and take that out. And we're just gonna chop up this pineapple in no particular way. I just want to make it kind of small. Don't need to get too fancy, just make it small. Boom, into a bowl. We're gonna do the same thing with our strawberries. Cut the stems off. From the store, beautiful strawberries and pineapples. Summertime fruits. And again, we're just gonna make these small. You don't need to focus on making any fancy brunoise cuts or any nonsense like that. Just go ahead and make your fruit small. Chop it up however you like. Beautiful fruit. Now for this filling, we're not even gonna cook anything. I'm just gonna add a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of brown sugar, and a little bit of corn starch. That's gonna go ahead and thicken up whatever juices do come out of it in the baking process and make a perfect filling for our empanadas. Nice and simple. Go ahead and mix all those beautiful things together. Get that cornstarch nice and incorporated with the juices. We're gonna go ahead and set that in the fridge, and we're gonna bring back our dough. I like to cut it in quarters, make it nice and small and manageable. Flour our surface, flour our rolling pin, and roll out our dough. I like to roll it out thin, but not too thin, you know? You want a little structure to it. I just got a little 4-inch diameter bowl. We're gonna make some pretty small empanadas. Go ahead and take out our circles, recycle our leftovers, and just keep it moving. Again, this dough has been resting for a couple hours in the fridge. Very simple. You can use the same recipe for a pie dough. Again, I'll leave that exact recipe and measurements in the description below. That way you can see it. We're just gonna keep cutting out discs for our empanadas. Alright, so boom, we're gonna fill these joints. Now on these, I'm doing pineapple and strawberry because, you know, I like to live a little dangerously. So we're just gonna add a little bit of pineapple and a little bit of strawberry in each one. Be careful not to overfill. Roll them over, press and seal. Roll them over, press and seal. I'm gonna go ahead and seal these up by basically folding it over itself over and over, making a nice braid. This is my favorite way to close up empanadas. I'm not a huge fan of the fork method where you just kind of close it with a fork. Make sure you give a dog a strawberry. We're just gonna keep filling these up, man. Pineapple, strawberry. Again, press and seal. Do our little braid. Again, we're just folding it over itself. Over and over and over till you get to the other side of the empanada. That makes a nice pretty little braid. We're setting these on a parchment paper lined sheet tray. Alright, these suckers are almost ready to bake. I'm just gonna get a little egg wash. It's literally just one egg. Put it over each empanada to make it nice and brown. Make sure you make a big mess while you're doing it. Toss them in an oven. This is 350 for about 20 minutes, and they come out just like this. And I hit them with a little cinnamon sugar on both sides. Alright y'all, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Try it at home. Comment below your favorite empanada flavor, and make sure you come back for episode 7 of Modern Roots Kitchen. We're going to be doing some birria crunch wraps. It's going to be super dope, I swear. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. You guys are awesome. See you later.